Hey guys, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at a 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. We put a 2.5-inch Rough Country Series 2 lift kit on it, some 20x10 Xtreme Mutter 310 wheels in a matte black finish, and some 35 1250 R20 Fury Country Hunter mud terrain tires in a 12-ply. If you want more information on these tires and wheels, please watch our wheel matchup video that will be linked somewhere around here at the end of the video. It also has some JW speaker style LED headlights and some angry eye add-ons to the grille. We also have a set of LED taillights on the rear. So, tips and tricks on this 2.5-inch Rough Country Series 2 lift kit. The SKU is 635 if you're going to look it up on the website. It is one of our favorite lifts. You will see video after video after video of us talking about this lift. It retains all of your factory hardware, your factory shocks, your factory springs, your factory sway bars, your factory track bars, your factory control arms. Everything stays factory. So that if you lift your Jeep and you decide, nah, I'm just not about this lifted Jeep lifestyle, you can take it back down to your factory ride height. Also, you retain a lot of that factory ride quality, not all of it, but most of it, because you are retaining your factory parts. However, you do lose a little bit because of the change in geometry, just because of the lift. It comes with driving a lifted vehicle. So, our only tip is you need to have the drill bit to drill your rear track bar relocation bracket. It requires you to drill one hole just to give it a little bit of extra support, and that's our only tip going into it. Just make sure you have a good drill bit that will cut through metal. Besides that, if you want to buy any of these parts, whether it's the tires, wheels, headlights, some fender flares, some rails, a lift, a hood, headlights, taillights, go to our website, central-alps.com, and let us get your parts shipped out today. Also, if you're staring at this Jeep and you're saying, Michael, I want a Jeep, I want it lifted by y'all, but I don't want to have to go buy a Jeep, bring it to you, get it lifted, and go through that whole process. I just want it already done. Well, luckily for you, you can go to our website, central-alps.com, go to the inventory page, and on that page, we will have every vehicle that we have built for our dealers. Meaning, you can find the perfect Jeep, the perfect 4Runner, the perfect truck, click on it, it'll take you to the dealer's website, and then you can call up that dealer and you can go today to buy that vehicle, or maybe tomorrow. It's being a little bit more realistic. So, if you have any questions, please leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.